In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload products into Ecwid using the CSV Import feature. Whether you're setting up your store for the first time or simply adding a batch of new products, the CSV Import tool can save you a great deal of time and effort. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, we begin by navigating to the Ecwid dashboard. After you've logged into your Ecwid account, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, which is your central hub for all store-related activities. The first thing you want to do is click on the Catalog option from the menu on the left side. This section is where you manage everything related to your store's inventory, so it's essential to get comfortable here. Once you're in the Catalog section, you'll see the option for Import or Export Products. Click on that. This menu is going to be your gateway for both exporting your current inventory for modification and importing new products swiftly. Since today we're focusing on adding new items, locate and click on Import Products from the options provided. Now, you're in the Import menu. This part is crucial as it sets up your CSV file integration. What you need to do here is select the Import Catalog and Customer Base option. This feature allows you to bring in all your product details conveniently. Before proceeding with the upload, ensure that your CSV file is formatted correctly, following the Ecwid guidelines. Double check for common issues like misplaced columns or incorrect data formats. If your file isn't correctly set up, you might encounter errors during the import process. When your CSV file is ready and you reach the Import Catalog and Customer Base section, simply follow the prompts to upload your file. There's a guided process in place, so even if it's your first time, you'll find it quite intuitive. Make sure to pay attention to the mapping step, which ensures each column in your CSV matches the fields in Ecwid. Proper mapping is key to ensuring your product data uploads correctly and appears accurately in your store. After you've uploaded your file, Ecwid will do a quick validation. If there are any issues found, you'll receive a notification detailing what needs to be resolved. Once everything is aligned, just confirm the import and your products will begin uploading into your store. And that's it for uploading products into Ecwid using the CSV Import tool. By following these steps, you should have a batch of new products listed in your store in no time at all, ready for customers to view and purchase. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, a well-organized and up-to-date product catalog is crucial for any successful online store. Thanks for watching.